In this meditation for beginners who often don't like meditations, we will simply practice being in the present moment and taking a break from thinking by guiding our thoughts to focus on each area of our body and releasing tension. Your thoughts may wander while my voice runs through the exercise. Attach no significance to this very natural process. Our minds are used to running constantly, and it takes repeated practice to teach them to take a break. No matter how often thoughts appear, you may choose to allow them to play out in your mind, or you may choose to acknowledge the thought and release it, bringing your focus back to my voice. You cannot do this wrong. In the end, you will have simply given your mind a rest from the normal process of your day, and in time, it will become easier to relax and clear your mind. Begin by finding a quiet place where you can sit or lay down comfortably, where you feel safe, and where you can close your eyes without being disturbed. You may wish to wear an eye mask and cover yourself with a light blanket. If you are sitting, you may wish to use a neck pillow to support your head, but you may also do this practice without these things just as easily. Once you are comfortable and settled, close your eyes and take a few deep and intentional breaths to center yourself and bring your mind to focus on the present moment. Breathe in at a comfortable, slow, and smooth pace until your lungs reach their natural, comfortable, full capacity. Feel your belly expand outwards and feel the muscles in your belly, chest, and lungs stretching and feeling so good, doing their job well. Pause at full capacity for just a moment, as long as you want, then release the breath slowly and smoothly again, at a comfortable pace, whatever feels right for you. Visualize the oxygen entering your brain cells like a breeze blowing gently over your brain, swirling over and around it, cleansing your brain cells and blowing away negativity, leaving only positivity left. Allow your breath to resume its natural flow and bring your focus now to your whole body and feel it where it is. Feel it touching the surface of where you are. Allow yourself to relax and get more comfortable, sinking into your body and releasing any tension just a little bit more. Bring your focus to your neck and feel it however it currently is, and accept it as it is right now. Breathe in deeply and slowly, and on the release, visualize the nerves in your neck muscles sending messages to release tension. If you are laying down or using a neck pillow, you can mentally visualize the following exercise. If you are sitting up and without a neck pillow, you may wish to slowly rotate your head, first gently dropping your head forward and then bending it to the left, and slowly, intentionally rotating it around to the back and resting your head leaning back, face up for a moment before continuing the smooth, gentle, intentional movement to the right and back down, centered, feeling the stretch of your neck muscles and the top of your back muscles between your shoulder blades, a nice gentle stretching. Now bring your head back to upright position and centered, balanced with the weight of your head applying no pressure to your neck muscles. Breathe in deeply and slowly now, at a comfortable pace, feeling again your lungs filling to their comfortable full capacity, and your belly muscles expanding outwards, stretching out and feeling so good. Pause for just a moment, however long you like, before releasing that breath slowly and smoothly at a comfortable pace, feeling your belly and chest muscles relaxing into their natural, comfortable resting position. Allow your breath to resume its natural flow and bring your focus now to your shoulders. Feel your muscles on your left and on your right, however they currently are. Accept them as they are right now. Visualize the electrical impulses of your nerves connected to these muscles, firing off millions of tiny sparks of energy, running over these muscles and sending messages to release tension. Breathe in deeply again and release out slowly. Allow any tension there to release just a little bit more. Bring your focus now to your back muscles and feel your back muscles as they are right now. Accept them for however they are right now. Again, visualize the electrical impulses of all your nerve endings in your back firing off like tiny sparks, running up and down over your entire back, sending messages of releasing tension just a little bit more. Allow the sparks of energy to act like a cleansing force that releases negative thoughts as well. Visualize any negativity washing away and leaving only positivity behind. Breathe in slowly, smoothly, and deeply until your lungs feel comfortably full. Pause a moment and release, feeling your brain cells become awashed with oxygen. Visualizing each oxygen molecule entering your brain cells like workers coming in to do their jobs well, and allowing your brain to function well, performing all the countless functions it does to keep your body running smoothly. As the oxygen washes over your brain, allow yourself to visualize this acting like a cleansing force for negative thoughts as well. Visualize negativity washing away like dirt washing off your body when you shower, just running down and away, leaving only clean positivity in its place. Bring your focus now to your arms and feel them however they are right now. Accept them for whatever they are right now and feel each muscle within them, releasing any tension there just a little bit more. Focus on your hands and feel each muscle within them as they are right now. Accept them for whatever they are at this moment and visualize energy running up and down your arms and into your hands, clearing out tension and negativity. Bring your focus to your legs and feel your leg muscles however they currently are. Accept them for whatever they are right now. Visualize the nerves in your leg muscles firing up and down your legs. Tiny sparks of energy sending the message to release any tension just a little bit more. Washing away negativity and leaving only positivity in its place. Bring your focus to your feet and then your toes, feeling each muscle in them and accept them as they are right now. Visualize the nerve endings sending sparks of energy into each one, sending messages to release any tension just a little bit more. Washing away negativity and leaving only positivity in its place. Bring your focus to your groin and whatever body parts you have there, Feel them as they are right now and accept them for whatever they are right now. Allow yourself to visualize the nerve endings in the muscles of your internal and external organs in this area, firing off signals to relax this area and release any negative thoughts or emotions you might have stored in this area. Bring your focus now to your belly and feel it however it is at this moment. Accept it as it is, a perfect belly containing and protecting your organs, moving in and out gently to provide space for your lungs to fill with air. Visualize that you can feel each organ within you: your heart, your lungs, your tongue, esophagus, stomach, your intestines, small and then large, your liver, your kidneys, all your glands, blood vessels, and every element within you working together with your brain to keep you healthy and alive. Visualize the blood in your blood vessels entering your organs, much like the nerve signals. Visualize that you can feel the blood coming in and providing the nutrients and hormones and enzymes they need to be healthy and functioning well. Feel a wave of gratitude for what you have and the complex system that evolved to give us this opportunity to experience this life. The perfect cooperative elements for this body machine to run. Take a few deep, intentional breaths and just relax into your body now, feeling it slowly and gently, your mind drifting softly around it without a goal or intention, just feeling, being present in this moment. Now visualize those sparks of energy from your nerve endings concentrating in the tips of your toes, and visualize them run up your body from your toes into your feet, around your ankles and up into your calves, your knees, into your thighs, around your groin and butt and hips, into your back and your belly, through your internal organs and your spine, across your chest and your shoulders, then down into your arms, down to your hands and fingertips, looping back up to your shoulder blades and meeting in your chest, going through your heart and up into your neck, swirling around your face, your jaw, your tongue, your sinuses, up and around your ears, inside your ears to the eardrum, and into your brain. Feel the energy impulses meet in the center of your brain and allow them to splash up like two waves meeting, traveling up to the top of your brain and washing down around the sides, trickling through to meet every part of your brain. Down to your brain stem, then back up and out to the edges of your skull and your scalp and your hair, meeting again at the top of your head, and then release them like a firework after all the explosions have completed. Soft ghosts of ashes gently falling down, or like a soft rainfall, washing back down your body more slowly now, just washing away any remaining negativity and leaving you feeling refreshed, clean, bright, soft, renewed. You may stay here in this moment as long as you wish. And once you are ready, you may choose to open your eyes or lift the eye mask and remove the neck pillow slowly, allowing light back into your sensory experience and begin to move your muscles, shifting your thighs, flexing your toes and fingers, bending your neck from side to side. You may wish to stretch your muscles and breathe deeply once more as a way of closing the meditation session. Now go drink a glass of water and have a great day.